Hi, welcome to today's video, which is going to be about what products to promote using Clickbank. I often get asked the questions, what products do you actually go and promote? So I'm going to show you 4 different tips so that you can actually go and promote the products that are going to be the most profitable for you. So let's go and have a look and show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so today's video we're obviously going to be covering what products to promote using Clickbank. Now, for those of you who don't know, Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace. It's an affiliate network. So it's basically a website that holds all different products that you can then go and promote. And these are in various different niches, as you'll find out in a second. But there are certain things you can actually do to enhance the way you're going to promote them and obviously get better results and also get more money. So the first thing you want to do, if you haven't already got a Clickbank account, you've just got to come to clickbank.com and then click on the sign up page here. As you can see, it's 100% free to join, so it costs you absolutely nothing. And you can use the click down button here. And all these countries, there are some that aren't included. So unfortunately, if that's one of yours, then you might have to go and search for a different network. And we'll be covering different networks later in other videos. But as you can see here, we've got plenty of places that obviously are covered. Mine, United Kingdom. So obviously I would just select that. Do my name and address, telephone number, email address, password. And then away you go. You are good to go, and you will then be able to get into your account. I've got an account set up here, just a dummy account at the moment. And once you're in there, you can go to the marketplace up here. And this is where all the categories are that you can then go and choose. And as you can see, there are plenty of different categories. And probably the 3 most popular ones that you're going to make money in are probably in the make money online niche, and this obviously is quite a big sector anyway. You've got the health and wellness niche, and you've got relationships. So those are the 3 you want to be looking at. If you can tie in a product within those 3 niches, then you're probably going to have better results. So how we're going to go and do this, you basically need to come down and choose a product you want, probably something within your niche. So I'm going to actually, obviously I'm in the affiliate marketing, the make money niche. Okay, just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose the self-help niche. So we click on that. And as you can see, the first one, let's just have a look at the first one here. His secret obsession, incredible conversions for female cold traffic. So it's basically a relationships product here. Now, the things you want to look out for, first of all, is going to be the average sale. Now, the average sale amount on this one is $51. So I would certainly be looking at things above $30. You don't really want to promote anything below $30, especially if you're going to be putting paid ads to it, paid traffic, because obviously there's going to be nothing in it by the time you actually get some sales coming through. You also want to look at the gravity. So the gravity here is 171. Okay, so there it is there. And this, the gravity means that's the amount of affiliates or that have promoted this product in the last month and made sales. So it could be that there's 2 or 3 of those people have made thousands of sales. You don't know, or they could have only made 1 sale each. But it's the amount of affiliates that have made sales. And again, you want this really to be over 30, again, 30 to 40 people, because you need a popular product, because then you know it's tried and tested and it's going to probably convert better. Third thing we want to look at is the commissions. Now, as you can see here on the front end, you get 90% commissions, and that is huge, guys. So that basically means that if you make a sale, you're going to make 90% and the owner is going to make 10%. So that is huge. And again, you want to make sure this is above sort of like 40 to 50% really, because it's going to give you higher commissions and more money. Now, obviously, the final thing, well, there's two more things, but the final step you want to look for is the average rebilling total is $104. So what that basically means is this means that it's a recurring income product. So it's probably on the back end of it, there may be a monthly subscription or something like that. So that means that you do the work once and then you're possibly going to get paid over and over again for months to come. And some of these products will, literally be months and months and months, possibly even years. As you can see with this one, the average one is 104. So you're looking maybe at about 3 or 4 months down the line. But again, if you do the work once and you get paid for several months, this then takes the average sale way up to about $150, which is huge. The final thing I just want to say, it's not imperative, but if the product has got its own affiliate page, then that is huge as well. That's a good plus because that basically means that they are prepared. They've put some tools together, possibly some videos, email swipes, that sort of thing, that is going to help you to promote this product. So that is going to be huge as well. So look at that as well, and when you are choosing your products, because that could mean the difference between you doing well and not doing so well. So hopefully you found this video interesting. If you did, then basically go and join Clickbank if you're not already a member. Obviously follow these steps, which is going to help you get more sales and more commissions with your affiliate marketing business. And if you are brand new to affiliate marketing and you think, I don't really know what I'm doing here, that's fair enough. What I've done, I've put together a free 7-day email bootcamp where I walk you through step by step how to get started with affiliate marketing and obviously then grow your business to a full-time passive income. Okay, so make sure you check that out. I'll put a link in the description below here. I also put a link to Clickbank for those of you who want to go and sign up if you're not already signed up. And that's it, guys. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, obviously smash up that like button for us. Don't forget to drop us a comment below and obviously share the video too. We also have more videos here which you can go and actually have a look at. And don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, then subscribe to our channel right now. Hit that old notification bell, then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on tomorrow's video.